Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where we explore weird and forgotten drinks and other related niceties. My name is Corey, as always, just a four-letter word. Today we are going to jump into the Esquire Party book. There's another one of those, I think it's a late 60s, or is it a 50s? Oh, the last copyright was 1965. That started in 1935. The running joke is, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a drink. All right, this drink is called the White Lily. So it's pretty simple. It's all equal parts. There's gin, light rum, and Cointreau. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Cointreau. Cointreau? I don't know. Dude, I can read it, I can buy it, and that's probably all that matters. And we're going to have to do a little dash of absinthe, or they use Pernod because the absinthe was illegal, but we're using absinthe because I'm not buying another bottle of something I barely drink. And it just wants a dash, so we're going to try the little dasher thing again. So, it's a mix and drink. Let's get some ice in here. This has got to be the worst ASMR. Some guys over there just freaking out in the background. All right. So, you know what? I forgot. I forgot my jigger. 1 second.
A few moments later.
You know, I see the educated barfly always missing stuff, and I'm like, oh, I'm not going to do that when I do mine. And I did exactly that because I had it by the sink when the last time I shot. So, gin. And not gin like the ex-girlfriend that stole your favorite hoodie. The one with a G. All right, rum. You know, for the pirate booty that Jen had. Cointreau. Somebody in the comments is just freaking out right now if you're actually watching this. You know, the thing I noticed in a lot of these vintage drinks, there's not a lot of sugar, and I guess that's supposed to be the sweetener. There's not, most of the new drinks have simple syrup or agave or something, but I guess, taste change? I don't know. I'm seeing a lot of these vintage drinks with no extra sweetener, maybe a tablespoon of sugar, but that's it. So let's do the whole dash of absinthe. God, that stuff stinks. All right. So, I'm still trying to get that twist just right. Still trying to learn this stuff, man. You know, it's one of those things like I have a friend, he went to bartending at school and learned all this fancy stuff, and other people learn on the job, but I'm just at home bored, you know, so I'm just doing what I can. You know, and like the others, there's no garnish in the books for these, so I'm generally surprised, but okay, let's see what it tastes like. The rum and gin kind of blend together. I guess the Cointreau does kind of sweeten it up a little bit, but it's definitely got that gin-y aftertaste. Well, it probably goes more like a Japanese gin because they're got more fruit taste to it. I might have to try that sometime, but no, it wasn't too bad. You know, it just kind of reminds me like a martini a little bit, but probably a little sweeter. But yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I could drink one of these and not be too mad about it. Definitely gets you drunk. Anyway, well, while I finished trying to drink this, make sure I got it up right. You guys know what to do. Until later.